guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this glow text effect on Canva by using their text template. So go to text and you are going to select the glow text effect. It doesn't really matter which one you choose. I'm just going to select this pink one and I'm going to add it to the not the timeline, sorry, the canvas. And I'm also going to change the background color so you guys can see the glow a little bit better. Here you can change the text like so, and I'm just going to place it kind of like in the middle. And then here you can also change the color by pressing the text button here, and you can change the color as you can see. And here you can also change the font like here, and I like to use, I'm just trying to find a cute font, but as you can see you can change the font like that. Oh. And you can change the if you want all caps lock or not here, as you can see. Ta-da! And that is it. Super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!